How to blur a background in CapCut and then focus the video on a subject. So to start, we'll have to open our CapCut application, and then in here, as you can see, I have already imported a video. What we need to do now is to tap on this plus sign so we can add a video here. In here, we'll have to create an overlay for the video. To do that, we'll have to right click on the video, tap on the copy option, and then we'll have to paste the overlay on top of the original video. Once we're done with that, we'll have to select the overlay video, go on the top right corner of the screen, tap on the video option, and then go on this remove background option. In here, we'll have to toggle on this auto removal. After that, we'll have to tap on the basic option, and then we'll have to change the scale to 101%. And then once we're done with that, we'll have to add an effects. To do that, tap on the effects option, and then in here, we'll have to select the blur option. To do that, we'll have to tap on this plus sign. And as you can see here, the blur effect is automatically added. What I need to do now is to make sure that the blur effect ends at the same time with the video. Once we're done with that, we'll have to drag the blur effect on top of the original video. And as you can see here, it automatically blurred the background of the video. If you want to change the intensity of the effect, all you need to do is to select the effect, and then in here we'll have to go on the top right corner of the screen, and then in here we can now change the intensity of the blur effect. So that's how easy we can blur background in CapCut and then focus the video on a subject. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.